How to log in to National University. So if you want to log into National University, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for National University login. Once you've searched, here on the first search, you will have National University login. Click on that search and here it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your username on the first blank. Enter your username, and once you enter your username, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can simply go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then enter it. And if you want to save your information on your laptop or your PC, then you can click on remember me so that it will save your credentials. But if you don't want to save it, then unclick it. And once you enter your information, you can click on sign in. And after clicking on sign in, it will sign you into your National University account. So that's it. That's how you log into your National University account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.